Good evening. Yeah. Yesterday I explained that code ground. Okay, many of they have written correctly. Varalakshmi, she got 20 out of 20. And Aravind, yeah, Aravind, you executed one question. Yeah, we'll check his questions. Yeah, this question is correct. Area of the circle. See, question is what? Given number is positive or negative or zero. We have to write positive or negative or zero. Just you have written positive and no you have written. Arvind, are you there, Arvind? Nikita, she got 20 out of 20. And Dolika, yeah. You understood, right? Yesterday, how to write a code ground questions also. How to write coding. That is output based compiler. You have to concentrate on output. Okay. Yeah, your output should match to sample output and test cases also. It has to satisfy test cases also. Then only you will get the questions. Answer mark, full marks. Clear? Okay. Today also you have test control statements. Okay, see. Arvind, you understood, right? What is your mistake?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, just you have written only positive or negative or zero. Question is what? Positive or negative or zero. Just you have
I
written,
did not see that zero, sir.
yeah, and positive number
I
and
saw
yeah.
I saw only positive or negative. That's why I wrote only for positive and negative, sir.
Okay. Once you read that question exactly, what is there in output and sample input and sample output also you have to check it. Okay, that is positive number. Same way negative number, you have to print the output also negative number. Just you have written but no only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's not no negative number we have to print as well as zero it is. Okay, okay guys. Okay, today we'll discuss the next topic. If else completed yesterday and go to also completed. Today we'll discuss switch case. Okay, what is switch? Okay, you know the syntax of switch. Okay, write one program in switch. What is switch case? Okay, right. Accept a number from the user. Accept a number from the user. Today we'll discuss switch case and loops we will discuss. Accept a number from the user. Print in words. Print in words. Okay, means if I enter 1, we have to print ONE1. Okay, if I enter 2, we have to print TWO2. That is a question. Okay, in words we have to print. Okay, see how to write in switch case. Today I will discuss. Switch will write. Okay, this is also a Turbo C compiler only. Same Turbo C compiler, the same 16-bit compiler. Okay, see. Now how to take a switch case. Now I want to take switch. Same compiler, but it is ID is changed. That's all. Same compiler. Okay, we have to read a number. How to read a number? Integer n I have taken. Integer n. Okay. integer n I have taken. We have to read a number. How to read a number? Using printf and scanf. Printf, it displays a message, right? Enter any number. Now I have given enter n value or any number. Okay. And scanf we have to take. Scanf. See, how to print a scanf? Percentile address of n. Now we have to take address of n. Right? We are reading a number. Switch case we have to write. Switch of this value is called expression value. This is called switch of n. Switch of n. Here case statement you have to write. Case. My question is what? If I enter the 0, we have to print a 0. Case 0. What is case 0? Now I want to print here.
Sorry,
Print
the
f
noise
of
again.
0 I have to print. Yeah. If I write case 0, printf 0 we have to print. Case 1. How to write a case 1? Now I am writing case 1. How to write a case 1? Printf of one I want to print. See here. I want to print one. Okay, now what I am doing here, case 0. Instead of case 0, I want to write 2 greater than 3. Can I write like this, guys?
Yes.
Case 0, we can write 2 greater than 3. Case 1, we can write 2 less than 3. Okay, you know 0, 1 you will write normal way. Okay, you can write in another manner. Case 2 I want to write. Case 2, how to write case 2? 1 plus 1 I can write. Case 1, how to write case 2? 1 plus 1
Chinna?
slash and 2 it is.
Mm.
And case 3 also we can write case 3. How to write case 3? 2 plus 1 we can write. Case 3 you can write 2 plus 1. Okay.
చూద్దాం పక్క పెట్టేసి తర్వాత చూద్దాం.
Right, case 3 means 2 plus 1 we can write. 2 plus 1. Printf of, now I want to print 2 plus 1 is what? 3 I want to write. 3, see this. Okay, 4 up to 5 we can write. Okay, other than 3 if I enter, I want to print a default statement. Now I am writing default statement. What is default statement? Printf of, here I want to write invalid number. Invalid. Guys, right? And get ch close. Get ch close. Now read a number and read a number. After reading, if it is 0, print a 0. Okay, if it is 1, right? This is where you can write. Wait a minute. Yeah, see here. How to execute? Same, compile and execute. Directly we can write compile. First here compile, you need to compile. There is no errors. Warning is there. Forget about the warning. Okay. If it is a warning also, no problem. We can execute it. Okay. See. How to execute it? Compiled, run, execute. Enter n value. If I enter the 1, it prints 1, 2, 3, everything it is executing. Clear? Are you following how it is executing? If I enter 1, 1, 2, 3, and invalid, everything it is executing. If I enter the 0, I want to increase the text size. Let's see. Yeah, 21 to 25. Yeah, see guys, run once. Okay, if I enter 0, it is printing 0, 1, 2, 3, and everything it is executing. I want to print only 0. If you want to print only 0, then how to execute it? Here, just write break here. What is break? It starts this switch execution. If I write a break, only this statement will be executed. Once execute here, okay, control F9, press control F9. If I enter the 0, only 0 will be executed. 0, right? Okay, for confirmation, after the switch statement, I want to write one more statement. What is this statement? This is for confirmation. Okay, the switch is completed. That is main ends I want to display. All switch ends. Switch end. This is for confirmation. After switch, it comes outside. That is the that is I want to show. Run once, execute. If I enter the 0, 0 and main ends. Clear it is? It is executing 0 and main ends. Okay. If I enter the 1, what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, everything will be executed. Right? See once. Run once. If I enter the 1, it is executing 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And everything it is executing. I want to execute only 1. Then what you have to write here? Write here break, right? See, once only it executes 1 only. Once execute, see here 1 it executes. Okay, 1 and maintenance. 1 and maintenance. Clear? If I execute 2, 2, 3 invalid. 2, 3 invalid. Clear, understood? I want to only execute 2. Then what you have to write? Break statement you have to write. Break. Break stops the switch case, right? And I don't want to execute this 3 also. Just I have written. Okay, can I write case 3 again? If I write case 3, which case will be executed? 2 plus 1 I have written and case 3 also I have written. Here I want to print hi. Tell me guys, which statement will be executed? 3 or hello? Which statement will be executed?
3.
3 or hello? Or both will be executed? Niharika.
Sir,
Here 2 plus 1 I have written and 3 also I have written. Which statement will be executed? 3 or hello? Or
3,
both
sir.
will be executed? 3. Okay. Compile once. If I
Both will
compile,
not be executed.
both will
Compile
not be
them
executed.
Error.
error.
Error. Okay, we'll check it. Okay, compile once. One error. What is the error? See, it shows the error. Duplicate case. Duplicate case in function main. See, guys. Duplicate case. Understood, right? Duplicate case will be executed. We cannot execute two cases with two cases. We can't write two cases with the same number. This is error. We should not write case 3. Clear? You understood, right? How this statement will be executed? Right. Write once this program. Guys, write this. Write this.
And once tell me how to execute the case 2 greater than 3 and less than 3.
Case 0 it is. Are you following? If I enter the 0, 0 will be executed. 0 case. 0, right? 0 on maintenance.
So 2 less than 3.
2 less than 3 means 1. Instead of 0 and 1, I have written 2 greater than 3. We can write like this also. Are you following, Arvind?
We can use
Understood?
any arithmetic operation, sir.
Any arithmetic operation. You know, right? Normally in academics, we learn like this. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, we have learned. Okay? But we can write like this also. 2 greater than 3, 2 less than 3, 1 plus 1 also. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. We can write like this also. This is valid. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Case 2 plus 1 is there already. You can't write case 3. Duplicate case here. Error is what? Duplicate case. Error. Okay, na? Finish the program?
Yes, sir.
Now next program, guys, tell me, you have to write in your one. Just I will show you here, right? Accept a character from the user. Accept a character from the user. Find out given character is vowel or not. Find out given character is vowel or not. Write all of you guys. Accept a character from the user. Next program. Accept a character from the user. Accept a character from the user. Okay, are you writing right?
Yes.
Sai Nikita, first what you have to declare, tell me guys.
Character.
Characters.
Okay, character CH. Okay, character CH. Next what you have to write?
Switch.
Switch CH directly. Question is what? Read question once.
Integer. Next, we should declare an integer.
No. Read a question. Read first question.
Accept a character from the user and find out if the character is available.
Accept a character from the user means what?
Okay.
Hmm?
Scanf.
Yeah, we have to write, right? How to write? Here I want to write printf. In code ground, this is not required, guys. Code ground, it's not required. Here what you have to write? Enter a character. Okay, how to read a character?
Percentile scanf. Percentile C, comma ampersand CH.
Scanf. Percentile C. Address of CH. Good. Next. Next, what you have to write? Lohit, what is the next statement or
Which of CH
switch off CH? Good.
and case
Switch off CH. Okay. Case. Yeah. What do you have to write? Case. Yeah. Case. Tell me. Are you writing a program?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How to write? Yeah. What do you have to write? Case. Prudvi.
So find out character. What is the question?
Given character is vowel or not?
Over.
Given character is vowel or not? Extract.
A case A in brackets, not brackets, in quotes.
Single colon. Yeah.
A.
Case A. Okay.
Case
Yeah,
A,
next.
case E, I,
It's
O.
oval.
Yeah, good. Case E, right? This is a way of writing, right? Don't write printf statements here directly. Case A, it's a oval. Case E, oval. Don't write like this. That is not correct, right? Case A, case E, case I, and case O. This is for only small alphabets I'm writing, and case U. Okay, if I write like this, print of here I want to write, it's a oval. Now I want to write oval here. Break. Guys, what is default statement?
Not oval.
Not oval means consonant, right? Consonant. Okay. Is there any other way to write? If I don't know to write instead of a, is there any other way to write?
Number. ASCII number.
Very good.
97.
97 we can write. Okay. Instead of characters we can write ASCII values also. It allows case A, or we can write case 97. Okay, once execute now. If I execute now, see, enter a character small a. If I give, see, it is printing oval. Case A, oval it is. Okay, this is where you have to write a program. Next example.